Cracked taillight? Don't go to a mechanic and get it replaced. Do this instead for only $10. 1. Clean the surroundings of the crack. Two, unpack the tape. Three, apply a generous amount of tape on the crack like shown. Four, pat the tape repeatedly. If this video helped you, consider leaving a like, and for any further questions, leave them in the comments. I will respond to all of them.